Hello guys, this video is for day 11 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself, and so far this challenge has been going really amazing because I have met a lot of new people, I learned a lot of new things, but I have built a good consistency in myself, I have built a good discipline in myself. I'm committed to providing the videos, committed to doing the work, I'm committed to finding new clients. That's a very good thing that happened to me in these 10 days. And also the very good part about this thing is I'm able to use my time in a much effective way, and at the same time I'm able to make money out of that time. Previously I was doing nothing, I was just wasting my time, and right now when I'm earning money from that time, I'm feeling much more better, and at the same time I'm feeling that my time is much more valuable than I used to think it is. So talking about the challenge, till now I have done 38% of the 1 lakh challenge that I took for myself, which means 38,000. But yesterday I was on a call with a client who is willing to give 10,000 rupees to manage his e-commerce accounts, and probably by tomorrow he is going to make the payment. So right now I'm not considering that, but if I count that, I'm up to 48%, that is 48,000 of the 1 lakh rupee challenge in just 11 days. So I think going forward I'll be able to complete this challenge in a period of next 10 days, but let's see how it goes. Apart from that, I was just looking out for options in which I can build a business, a e-commerce business, and build a brand around it. So I was looking out for drop shipping methods. So if you don't know what drop shipping is, I'll tell you with the help of an example. If you want to sell this product on Amazon, right? This is a laptop stand, and if you want to sell this product on Amazon, but you do not want to keep the inventory, you do not want to spend, or you can say invest your money in buying the stock of this particular product. So what you can do, you can drop ship this product, and how you can do it, I'll tell you. So there are a lot of drop shippers to whom you can reach. So drop shipping basically means that you will not have to keep the inventory to yourself. What will happen, the manufacturer who is supplying this product will deliver each and every product of yours. For an example, आपने एक वेबसाइट बनाई जहाँ पे आपने ये प्रोडक्ट को लिस्ट किया, राइट? And at the same time you listed this product on Amazon, Flipkart and Etsy and places like that, and platforms like that. So what will happen when you get an order on Amazon or even your website or any platform, that order details will need to forward it to the supplier, and that supplier will ship that particular order to the customer's address. In that way you will not have to keep any inventory to yourself, you will not have to invest any amount, and at the same time the manufacturer will deliver that product to your customer. So there are few benefits of this, and at the same time there are few negatives of this as well. So the benefits are, first thing, you do not have to invest money in buying inventory of any product, you do not need to have any product with you, and that is the best part. And the second thing is, because you do not have to make any investment, you can expand your category of products that you are selling. You can sell a laptop stand, at the same time you can sell any other product because you are in touch with multiple dropshippers who can do the same thing for you, right? And at the same time, one good benefit is you don't have to worry about the inventory, storage or anything like that. So that makes this process very easy. Well, if I talk about the negative point of that, the negative point is the customer, you do not have any idea about the quality of product that is being shipped to the customer. So you need to ensure by ordering it for yourself once that how is the quality of the product. Second point, sometimes dropshippers delay the delivery, and that can cause a negative impact on your account. At the same time, the third point is, sometimes the dropshippers may discontinue the product. If you are selling good on Amazon, if you are selling good on your own website, if you are selling a product good on your own website, and going forward you require that product in quantity or in bulk, and the dropshipper is discontinuing that product, in that scenario you can be in a very stuck situation. So you need to take care of these things. So there is one platform called 25 which I have identified, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to find some very trending designs, especially in the anime category, where I'll be creating few products with the help of that website itself. On that particular website you can design the products yourself. Just for an example, let's take example of a hoodie. So there are multiple manufacturers who are delivering hoodies for you. What you can simply do is, you can simply upload your design, and after that you can simply upload the details of the product. So everything is already mentioned there, the product quality, the kind of material that is being used to create that product, and things like that. So simply what you need to do is, you need to upload the design that you want to be on the product. You can create multiple listings, you can create multiple designs, and after that you can link those designs with your website, with your Etsy account, with your Amazon account, and once they are listed, the customer will see it. If they like the product, then they are going to order it, and that manufacturer is going to ship it for you. So you just have to take care of the marketing and the management of the accounts. Apart from that, you just need to create the listings. So that's it. After that, every order would be handled by the dropshipper itself, and I think it is a very good doable business. Because I already have a Etsy account, so I wanted to try this thing specifically because I think it has a very good potential if I go ahead with anime products. So if I'm going to design a hoodie with an anime graphic on the front or maybe on the back, I think that thing is going to work, and it is going to be, in a trend, because people are crazy over anime these days. So I wanted to convert it into a business anyways. So that was it about day 11. So the team is working on the calling part, and right now I'm a little bit less loaded because the calling part is sorted now. But still, I'm making a couple of calls every day because I think I can convert clients more easily compared to how the team is working, because they are not very much experienced into this thing. But apart from that, I just also wanted to start this e-commerce business because I have been planning this thing from a while now. And previous to this, I had certain kind of GST issues which I was not able to get, and because of that, I have yet not started my business. But I think I'm going to get that sorted now, and start my e-commerce business as well. So that was it about day 11. If you like this video, hit a subscribe, and at the same time, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.